Today I'm trying something new that not a lot of people look for. Beetles just released a brand new shape and length for their nail extensions, the square and extra small shorts. This is a part of a gel nail kit, but since I already own the system, I just purchased the tips on their own. If you're familiar with the Acrylic system, this is pretty similar, but with a much better price. Emphasis on that. I was actually looking for a video like this before I purchased them on Amazon, but I couldn't find anything. So I decided to take one for the team and test it for you. I have been using Beetles for years. I can surely say that their products are top tier, but still budget friendly. Just so you know, this video isn't sponsored. I purchased it with my own money. Now let's dive in and see how these new tips work out. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Cheva, a small business owner, content creator, and of course, I am a mom of two. I share a little bit of everything on the channel, but mainly behind the scenes of my business, product reviews, and fun DIYs. So if that sounds like your vibe, stick around and hit that subscribe button. Now let's start. These set, it's from the brand Beetles. I already had this system, the whole system. Here is the box that I've been having for almost 2 years, 2 years and a half, or a little bit more. And it's a system that comes with the regular nails, long nails, okay, full nails, but long, and you cut them to the length that you prefer. It comes also with a UV light and the cable and also the glue. This is the nail glue. It works amazing, it works really good, but I wanted to try the short nails to see how they hold on, because with the long nails they last about 3 weeks, and after that I need to take them off because of course my nail has grown and I need to change them. In 504 pieces, 12 size, full coverage, and half matte. There they are. Here they are. Okay, I like that. The length, they are short. The reason why I got them short is because in my house, okay, there you go, I have a 2-year-old that I still need to change diapers. I need to do all my stuff. I need to work on the computer in my job. I need to work on the computer to edit videos. I need to work on the computer. I also have goats. I mean, 2 goats. I have bunnies, my 2 dogs that I need to take care of, and I cannot do that with my long nails. I've done it before. They break no matter how thick I do them. So that's why I got them in a short. This is the size 4. Okay, this is the size 4. As you can see, it covers the full nail. You use them with this glue, and then you put your nail underneath the light. You hold on for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. You can paint your nails with whichever nail polish that you would like. We're gonna start with a 0, and there we go. It is important to put your bottle away from your from the light so it doesn't cure, and that's the reason why the bottle is black. We're gonna put it under the light, and we're gonna wait for the lights to turn off. Oh, here. Okay, it turned off. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna do my pinky. If it overflows, you can just send it out. You just have to sand this down, file down this little mark that is on the top of the nail. This one right here. You can hardly see it, but you just have to send it out. Okay, so it's been 12 minutes that I spent in just this hand. I'm gonna do the next hand without talking because you already saw what I did here. I'm gonna do the next hand, and I'm gonna see how long it takes me, since I already know what size I use. There you go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint my nails with this nail polish that I really love. I love the design. This is cool. I really love it. And I'm gonna take advantage of the light so I can put my nail here. There it is. So we're gonna wait for it to dry really good, and after that I'm gonna apply these 3D flowers that I got. These are acrylic that I got from Instagram from a teacher in Puerto Rico. If I find her information, I'm gonna tag her in the description box as well, or I'm gonna leave her name in the screen. But this is a great hack if you don't know how to do 3D. I'm using ASAP, the brand. This is the brand ASAP as a glue. I bought this in Sally's. I think it was $1 and something. Just look at that. What? Who is she? I want to use enough amount so it doesn't fall off. This is my lamp. My husband got it for me, and I keep this in my car. And nail boo. I also got this in Sally's. Now I'm gonna clean the nail polish on my skin, and I'll be back. For oil, just a little bit goes a long way. So this is how the nails look with the watch, the chain, the rings. Like, my hand, it's done. I am good to go. What I like about these nails, this product, is that the job is done for you. It's done completely for you. You just have to measure them to your nail, pop them on, like glue them, and paint them. You are ready to go. I like these ones better than these ones that come with this set, because I honestly don't wear them too long. I can wear them mid-size, but I don't wear them too long. Then if I wear them, if I use these ones, I have to cut them, make sure that every single nail is at the same size, and then shape them to now paint them. So this does the job for you. You are gonna take advantage of this. You are gonna love this. I'm gonna leave you guys the link in the description box down below for you to purchase the whole set. I think they have one system that is with short nails, but I am not sure. But I am also gonna leave you another link so you can purchase this product on its own. I don't earn any type of commission from any product because my Amazon link is not working. I lost them a while ago and I got lazy. I didn't update it. It's not working. So, but I still have to put that I could make a commission because it's YouTube's rules. So this is an update after 6 days. The nails are still there, not lifting, no nothing. I did a pretty good application. I have done everything with these nails, like everything. I've took care of my animals, my kids, cleaned my house, I cleaned my wall, I repot my plants, I cooked, I typed. I did pretty much everything with these nails and they haven't broke or nothing. The fact that they are short makes them more durable. A lot of people don't like it. I like them. I am a mom, so yeah. I am gonna let you know in the comments how long they lasted on my hands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this review helped you decide if these new extensions are right for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that might be interested in, and I would like to know your thoughts in the comments. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews, tips, and all things small business. See you in the next video. Bye.